Check it out, check it, check it out, check it, check it, check it out, check it, check it out, check it, check it, check it out, check it, check it out, check it, check it, check it out, check it.
Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puck. We bring you the good stuff. Got another easy recipe. All right, anybody can do this one here. Okay, what we're gonna be making, we're gonna make some sous vide, boneless pork chops. These are gonna be so moist and so delicious. So let's get with it. All right, so only seasonings that I'm gonna be using is Saszon and garlic compound butter, homemade. And we're doing 4 pork chops. 1, 2, 3, looking for the best ones. And 4. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to tie these off. I like them into a puck. So I've got some butcher's twine. I'll do one, and then I'll do the rest. Very simple to do. Some butcher's twine. Out the way. Give it a little twist here. There we go. Nope. Didn't get it all. But I will this time. You don't have to do this. This is optional. There we go. Give it another knot. And then we cut. And now we got a nice uniform circle. All right, I'm gonna do the rest, and we're gonna get the cooking. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I am going to season these boneless pork chops with the Saszon. Saszon is also going to give it the color. Get it all rubbed in. Give them a flip over. All right. Rubbing. Also want to do the sides. All right. But I do have my water bath already preheated to 145. 145 for about 2 hours. All right. Okay. Let me get cleaned up so we can move on. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I am going to transfer these pork chops into a Ziploc bag. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Give my hands a little bit of wash down. All right. So now what we're going to do, move this towel out of the way. Bring my cutting board in. Now we're going to cut some medallions out of this garlic compound butter. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place this butter on top of each one. Okay, so get on my butter. All right, so now what I have to do, I'm going to use the Sous Vide machine, the water bath, to remove the air out of this bag. I made another video on how to do that, so that's what I'm going to do, and we're going to get these cooking. All right, these pork chops have cooked in the Sous Vide bath for approximately 2 hours at 145 degrees. All right, so now what I'm going to do now, and Sous Vide cooking is real easy. I'm going to remove them from the bag, leaving the juice behind. Oh, if you can just smell this, they just smell so good. Okay. All right, got that out. Now I want to seal this bag. I don't want the juice to spread out. All right, you can use the juice if you want to use. I'm not using the juice. Maybe I will. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Now, the next step we have to do with these is sear them. So to get a perfect sear, you are going to have to dry them. Really good. You want to dry them. All right. It's the only way you're going to get a proper seal. Get them nice and dry. And that's perfect. Nice and dry. Right, next one. We need some more paper towels here. All right, I'm going to finish drying these off, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, if you remember, you don't have to do this. This is my optional, my preference. I did tie them up, so now I want to remove the string, the butcher's twine. All right. Very easy to do, but they keep their shape like hockey pucks, almost like a filet mignon. A little trouble with this one here. I did it. There we go. There we go. We got one more. Voila, there we go. All right, let me get my stove, my skillet ready. Fired up, some oil, and we're going to get the searing these off. All right, I'm going to get this olive oil. I put about a couple of tablespoons in here. All right, I'm going to get it nice and hot. So when I place these pork chops in here, give it a nice good sear. You're not cooking them, you're just searing them. All right. This is a very, very easy meal to make. All right. So, let's see. See that? I don't know if you can hear that. Let's see. Nice. Getting some smoke. So I guess it's time. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now I want to get a good sear. So I'm going to use a press. So let this do what it's got to do, and we'll do a flip on it. All right, get that one flip. Get some char on it. It's only going to take a few seconds to do. And at this point, I'm going to have to turn my fan on. So I am going to talk a little loud. All right. So, that is going to be it. Yes. Yes. And that is all it takes. So let's get to eating. All right, let's dig into this pork chop. I don't know if you can see this, but it's cooked all the way through. Fantastic. But now, let's get into the taste. That is so freaking good. Now, hold on.
The smoke alarm is over.
Just want to say, I didn't use no pepper. I didn't use any salt. I only used Saszon. And it just gives you a lot of flavor. And also I used the garlic compound butter. Oh, this is so good. It's like butter in my mouth. Well, hold on. Okay. If you like this video, try this recipe. But tell your friends and family about cooking with Chef Pop. We simplify cooking. Anybody can cook. But give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. And I will see y'all guys in the next video. Bye!
Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it